Hey, did you know some people are earning hundreds of dollars every week just by posting feet pictures on Instagram? Yes, just their feet, not their face. And guess what? You can do this too. Even if you're shy, have no experience, or don't want to reveal your identity, this is a real method to earn online without investing money, without showing your face, and from the comfort of your home. Before we dive in, hit subscribe for more easy online income ideas. Let's grow together. Feet pics selling sounds weird to some people, but it's actually a growing trend. There are so many people online who love clean, well-captured foot photos. Many buy them for modeling, promotion, or personal interest. It's like foot modeling. Just care for your feet, take creative pics, and sell them. Instagram is one of the best platforms to start because it's visual, and it has millions of active users daily. And the best part? This opportunity works globally, whether you're in the US, UK, or anywhere else. Let's break down step by step how you can start selling feet pics on Instagram. Step 1. Understanding the market before you start. Know who buys feet pics and why. Content creators and bloggers for promos, tutorials, and travel posts. Brands and marketers for ads in skincare, shoes, or jewelry. Private clients for personal or custom use. The demand is real, and the buyers are already on Instagram. Step 2. Create a feet-centric Instagram profile. Use a catchy but anonymous username. Add a clean, aesthetic profile picture. You can even use feet art, pedicure images, or a cute logo. Your bio is your first impression. Include keywords like feet content creator, custom feet pics available, DM for collab or purchase. Step 3. How to take high-quality feet pictures at home. You don't need a DSLR or a fancy setup. Your smartphone and a few household items are enough. Tips to take great feet pics. Wash and moisturize your feet. Always. Use natural light near a window. Try clean, minimal backgrounds. Take photos from different angles. Top down, from the side, with shoes, park slippers, or with props like flowers or candles. Add some creativity. Paint your toenails, use ankle chains, or model sandals. Step 4. Grow your Instagram audience organically. Use hashtags. Use 10-15 relevant hashtags like feet model, pretty feet, toes of Instagram, foot photography, feet lover, but mix them up often. Engage in the feet niche, post 3 to 4 times weekly, use Reels, Shark Stories, and collaborate with similar pages. Stay consistent, your audience will come. Don't stress about fast growth. With consistent effort, the right audience will find you. 5. Where and how to sell your feet. Pics. Here comes the money-making part. Once you build a decent audience and post consistently, people will start DMing you. Here's what to do. Always handle sales professionally. Ask clients what they need. Share your pricing up front. Accept payments through PayPal, Cash App, or Wise. Set your pricing smartly. Basic feet pic, $10, $25. Custom request, $30, $100 bulk deals. Offer discounts for multiple pictures. Write it shortly. And yes, you can also use external sites to sell, like FeetFinder, Instafeet, OnlyFans, Etsy, Patreon. But Instagram remains the easiest free starting point. Step 6. Stay safe and private. So let me give you some strong tips. Never share personal details. Use a business email or Google Voice number. Always watermark your free uploads to avoid content theft. Block anyone who makes you uncomfortable or crosses boundaries. Your privacy is your power. Thousands of people are doing this safely, and so can you. Step 7. Boost sales with smart tactics. Want to make more? Try these expert tips. Offer packages. Basic, 3 pics for $25. Premium, 10 custom pics for $90. VIP. Weekly feet pics, plus themed. Sets run promotions. Engage with polls and questions in stories. Build loyal clients. Is selling feet pics on Instagram worth it in 2025? Absolutely. It's low cost, flexible, scalable, and keeps your privacy intact. If you want a creative side hustle with no degree, investment, or exposure, this could be for you. Just treat it like a business, stay consistent, and protect your privacy. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.